Here's how you play your first jazz ostinato slash groove slash beat, whatever you want to call it. Now, let's take a step back. If you want to get swing right, we've got to think about triplets. So that is 3 beats squeezed into the space of 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if you want to get a swung-ish feel, you want to take out the second note of the triplet. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you take the count out, you start to get a feel for it. And here we actually have a shuffle, which is just a swung rhythm. Don't overthink it. Basically, what we're going to do is put our right hand on the ride cymbal and we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our pulse. And now on every other note, so during beat 2, we're going to do a swung note. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It can be easier sometimes if you actually just hear it lots and try and copy it as well. There's no correct route to this, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you end up with something like that. But we're not quite finished. We need to add in a left foot on beats 2 and 4. So now you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure those come down nice and together, and there you have it. And now you can officially play jazz, so have fun with that.